Yeah.
Kind of a mess. You show our messy room?
All right, this is our room. And as you can see, it's small. However, it's got everything you really need in it.
A desk.
Yeah.
Comfortable bed. Sofa, TV, small shower, nice windows.
Yeah,
And
nice
good air
view,
conditioning.
good AC. And then
good breakfast.
good breakfast included, yeah.
They have laundry.
And then this is the bathroom. So it's small. However, again, you have everything you need. And then check this out. The door is actually to the shower, and it serves as closure to the bathroom as well. Yeah. So this is the lobby area. And they have a little drinks area as well. Come down here with your laptop, do some meetings or whatever. Vending machines. And then in here is the main dining area where they have the breakfast buffet in the mornings. And it starts early at 6:30 a.m. All right, and down here on the second floor, we do have an actual meeting room that you can reserve. There's a laundry room. Hello. And washer and dryer. And this is something they do a little different here in Malaysia. They actually have ironing areas rather than putting ironing boards and irons in every single room. And these, if you want to do laundry here at Holiday Inn Express, you have to get a token and pay for your laundering downstairs. They give you the tokens and you just come up and load everything. And they actually, when you put you don't even have to put the detergent in. It's already included in your load. So you just program it and hit start, and it puts the softener and detergent in there for you. My personal favorite place to come to, you have a little gym. And I was already here this morning, got my workout in. I mean, it's basic, doesn't have a lot to it, but it has enough to where you can at least get a decent workout in. And you have a nice view out these windows, and you have air conditioning as well. So for me, Holiday Inn Express is kind of like a no-brainer. Like, if you come to another country or whatever, and you're looking for a place to stay, so far, Holiday Inn Express has really been awesome. When I stayed here in Bangkok, they took care of me. This was after my foot surgery. They took care of me. I mean, they helped me get my breakfast buffet. They assisted me out of the building with my crutches, helped me in and out of the car, were readily there to help me bring things up to my room for me. I think they went above and beyond, and I actually left a raving review about Holiday Inn Express in Bangkok, the Sathorn location. However, here, again, great service. The rooms are clean. Linens are great, the beds are soft and comfortable, everything's very clean, doesn't smell like smoke in here, it's non-smoking, and again, I don't think you can have any problem if you book with Holiday Inn Express.